Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Tash and I create a lot of beauty related videos. At the moment I'm doing 31 Days of Halloween, and today I have created this vampiric sort of look. If you like this look and you want to see how it's done, then stay tuned and let's get on with it. Okay, so to start off this look, I've just applied my regular foundation and powdered over it with BYS's white powder foundation. Also at the moment I've had to put up my purple shiny backdrop just a little behind me because my camera hates the contrast between the black and white at the moment. So yeah, it keeps going in and out of dimmage and horrible. Anyway, let's get on with makeup and hopefully this contrast problem fixes itself. So just like in previous videos, I'm going to take the Starry Eyed palette by Evil Eye Cosmetics and I'm going to use the matte black, which is that one, and an angled brush just to fill in my brows a bit. And then I'm just using a spoolie brush to comb them out. I'm going to take Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar and use the shade Cherry Soda, which is this one here. And I'm just creating a sort of crescent moon rounded shape. I'm then going to take Fresh Meat, which is this one here, and I'm just deepening up Cherry Soda with Fresh Meat. Also going to take a little bit of Coma, which is this one here, and deepen it up some more by pressing that into the hollows of my eye. I'm then going to take the Starry Eyed palette again, the shimmery black this time, and I'm just placing that in the outer third of my eye. I'm going to take a little bit more of my P. Louise base and just clean up half of my crease. And now I'm going to take Glucose from the Blood Sugar palette, which is a white, and just pack that over the area where I've just cleaned up. Then I'm going to take Blood Sugar and just place that right next to that black and also sweep it into that black a little bit. Going to take some candy floss and just put that in the first section of my lid. Going to take a little bit more of that black and just blend that into Blood Sugar a bit. Now I'm going to take Coma from the Blood Sugar palette and just put that underneath my eyes. Also going to take that matte black again from the Starry Eyed palette and place that close to my waterline. Going to take a clean fluffy brush and just buff around all those edges. Now I'm just going to fill my waterline in with some black eyeliner and use Evil Eye Cosmetics liquid eyeliner on my upper lashes. So I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit and I'm going to use Luna. My highlight is picking up when I'm looking in the mirror, however I'm not too sure if you can see it on the camera because of the contrast between the white and black, and yeah. So I'm using Fluffy 7 for my lashes and they're by Model Rock. Also going to take some little bat sequins. Now for my lips I'm going to use a liquid lipstick that I haven't used before. It's the Venom liquid lipstick from Evil Eye Cosmetics and this is in the shade Bite, which is pretty much perfect for this look. Also for this look I'll be incorporating some earrings that were sent to me from Pink Nade, and they're these gorgeous coffin earrings which for me are perfect all year round. They are part of their Halloween range and I will leave a link down to their website below and also their Instagram, so go check them out. So this is the finished look. I took the fangs out because they're a bit hard to speak with. Yeah. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next 31 Days of Halloween videos. Bye!